Radio Day, South Africa. Back with you. It's a pleasure. I was, yeah, excited to be here and just going down. So, alright.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Egypt. Everybody else around here right now.
That's a pretty view right there.
But Shell's hit that too.
Tenga, but no guys, but.
So it's about right now.
So, tell you, how you sleep, homie?
Poppin', man.
How you sleep last night, man?
I ain't get no sleep, man. I was at the club, but I didn't get in until about 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning.
See, it was out.
And I was out like this. I was asleep, man. Stupid.
Right.
See, this is how it goes out, ladies. Check this out, ladies. Check it out, ladies and gents.
Is MC performing somewhere?
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Time to get on the yacht now. Get on the yacht.
Solomon.
Yeah.
Booby right there. Got Mike right here.
Film me with all our cameras and
Let's get on
stuff.
the yacht. It's going down.
Let's fight. The homie. Spike, Mike. Ooh.
If you're gonna fall, tell me first. I'll give it
On the yacht. Nice.
Booby.